Hey, John.
Hey, Mark.
But I'm using a person to symbolize the government because I hold proof to the rich and values the government should be up. Now, the reason the corporation looks bigger than the government is that the corporation is bigger than the government. Of the 100 large treadmill, and we could just stop. So in the end, what happens to
Hey, John. Just curious. Do you know anything about material economy?
Oh, fancy term. What does it mean?
It's a journey of a product where it takes from the moment it becomes an idea and to the moment that ends up in the landfill or somewhere else. Go.
Sounds wasteful already.
Exactly. That's why we have to understand the process and think about how we can do better. Let's start with extraction.
Extraction is the process of obtaining raw materials from nature through mining, logging, or harvesting. For example, mining iron ore to produce steel, chopping down trees to produce wood, and drilling areas with oil deposits to obtain crude oil.
And that's just step 1. Next, we move to production.
Production is the transformation of raw materials into finished goods through manufacturing processes. For example, using steel to manufacture cars in a factory, using wood to create houses and furnitures, and processing crude oil to produce gasoline.
Which brings us to distribution.
Distribution is the process and delivery of finished goods to markets or consumers, as products often travel thousands of miles through planes, ships, or trucks before reaching us.
Now we're at consumption.
Consumption is the use of goods and services by consumers to meet their needs or desires. For example, buying a car to be used as a family service, purchasing a new comfortable house, and etc. Consumption is tricky as we are encouraged to buy anything, even things that we don't actually use.
Finally, disposal.
We're just supposed to put it in the trash can, right?
Except trash products ends up in the landfill or in the ocean, and plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose.
We should practice recycling?
Of course, but only the fraction of materials gets recycled. The rest, waste.
So, what should we do?
Stop buying stuff that we don't need and support sustainable practices and recycle whenever is possible. Okay?
Remember, every product has a story. Let's make sure that we write a better ending.